We're here at FDIC 2013, and I am with author Paul Antonellis of Labor Relations for the Fire Service. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us a little bit how this book came about and where the idea came from and how you ended up working with fire engineering books and videos.
Okay. Originally started teaching in the fire science program and doing a lot of work in labor relations, and fire chief, fire administrators really need this material, and there were no books specific to fire service. They were all public administration, labor relations. So seeing a need for it, I sat down and started writing a book, put it together, presented it to fire engineering, and it was accepted, and several of the colleges have picked it up. It's geared towards a personnel management, FDIC compliant course. All the learning objectives for FDIC, for the undergraduate course, have been achieved in the book. And it's really kind of, some people are kind of scared off when they see labor relations for the fire service, but it's really an HR book. It's really heavy emphasis on a lot of personnel management issues. So it deals with historical significance of labor relations, arbitration, grievance, personnel issues, discipline issues, and then we touch on psychological issues from suicide to line of duty deaths. So it's kind of an all-encompassing book, and I think people tend to judge it by its cover. So need to sell it.
Understandable. You mentioned fire chiefs. Is there anyone else that you would recommend read this book except for, or just officers?
I think it's an all-encompassing book. From the people that have read it, there's been union members that have been several years in the union and didn't realize the material that was covered in it. So I see union members reading it to get a deeper understanding of how organized labor works. People that are aspiring to be company officers and administrators, they've used it, and then, like I said, colleges have adopted it for an undergraduate. But it's really, I was just talking with somebody recently that purchased the book and said it was great. They opened it up, started reading it, and couldn't put it down, because it was just so fire-based, and it pertained to what they do. So that's the greatest compliment an author can get, I guess.
Absolutely, that's wonderful feedback. Well, we appreciate you being an author and being here with us today, and thank you very much for this book.
Great, thank you.